everyone, we're going to find a formula for the nth derivative of the function x to the power of n. So this one, let's write f of x equal x to the power of n. Now for our first derivative, we're going to get equals n times x to the power of n minus 1. And for our second derivative, we're going to get n for this piece, and then when you differentiate, you're going to get n minus 1, and then this is going to be times x to the power of n minus 2. And then your third derivative is just going to be n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times x to the power of n minus 3. Now notice how these match up. So these numbers match up. And then also for 2, we have 2 terms here. For 3, we have 3 terms here. So basically what I'm going to do real quick is write this as f, the kth derivative of x, equals n factorial divided by n minus k factorial times x to the k n minus k. And the reason being that I can write my nth derivative of x as n factorial. Now, looking at this, we do not have a denominator in any of these, right? So if n equals k, then we're going to get n factorial divided by 0 factorial, and then we have x to the power of 0. Now, x to the power of 0 is 1, 0 factorial is 1. So our nth derivative of the function is going to just be n factorial. All right, so looking at this, if you're taking the first derivative, so this is number 1. If I plug in 1, I'm going to get 1 times x to the 0 power. So that's going to give me 1. For the second one, the second derivative, I'm going to get 2 times 1 times x, again, to the 0 power. That's where you're getting the 0 power here. That's going to equal 2. And the 2 matches my second derivative. If I do this third one here, so that's a 3. So you're going to do 3 times 2 times 1. 3 minus 3 is, I should have put a 1. 3 minus 3 is 0, so you have x to the power of 0. This equals 6. We could have gone on to the fourth derivative. That would have been 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times x to the power of 0 again, and that would equal 24. So that would be the fourth derivative of x equals n. You have 4 terms. And then we have x to the power of n minus 4. So that's why you're left with this simple formula. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.